Welcome back for another video of Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you how you can reset the tire pressure indicator or flat tire indicator of a Renault Twingo 2017 model. This indicator over here, I had a flat tire and it was visible on my dashboard, and I'm going to show you how I can get rid of that. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel. It's simple to Reset My Car. Have a look at our channel for more than 500 other videos on how to reset different model cars. Some tips and tricks, and use the commentary if you have any questions, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, I reset it before, so the indicator, this indicator isn't visible, but I'm going to show you how I did that so you can do it for yourself. First of all, the ignition must be in the second position like this. Then we're going to use the right thumbstick over here, use the top button to scroll through the menu over here, and stop when you see the flat tire indicator. This one, yes, press the top button, press and hold it till the set indicator of the tire starts blinking. Keep holding that, and when it stops blinking you can let go the top button, and the service indicator and the indicator, the tire pressure indicator for your tires isn't visible anymore. So once again, ignition second position, go through the menu by the right thumbstick, find it, press and hold it, starts blinking, hold it, and when it stops blinking you can let go the top button. That was it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it and it did help you. Leave a comment if you like, subscribe if you didn't subscribe yet, and hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.